Hi, let me come with an interesting problem which is related to circle sector, that is sector of a circle. A sector of a circle and a square have same perimeter as well as same area. Could you imagine what should be the angle of sector in such case? That is, you express the angle of sector in radians. What are the prerequisites to solve this problem? The first one is primitive concept, which is introduced even in primary classes. That is the concept of perimeter of square and area of square. We know that perimeter is 4 times the side and area is square of the side. The second concept which we need is that of sector. We know sector is a part of circle. Sector is the region bounded by two radii and an arc of a circle. Here also the perimeter of sector is 2r plus L and area of sector is LR by 2. What is the third concept? The third concept is very interesting concept. Especially this concept is very important in trigonometry. In lower classes, we have studied two types of units for angles. That is degree and grade. Of course, grade is very rarely used. In most of the countries, in lower classes, we use degree only. We have a new unit to measure the angle, that is a radian. This unit plays vital role in the development of trigonometry. What is the definition of radian? Imagine a circle and an arc. If the length of the arc and radius are equal, interestingly, the angle subtended at the center is independent of the size of the circle. It is constant. It is taken as one unit. It is radian. So after understanding the three concepts, we will enter into the actual solution of the problem. I solved this problem by two methods. Without loss of generality, just imagine the side of the square to be 1 unit. Why I am saying without loss of generality? Because the units are not mentioned. That is why the size of the square, that is side of the square, may be imagined as 1 unit. Now, as given in the problem, perimeter of sector is equal to perimeter of square. Perimeter of sector is L plus 2R. As we have imagined side to be 1 unit, perimeter of the square becomes 4. That is express L in terms of R. L is equal to 4 minus 2R. So after the perimeter concept, we shall go to the areas because it is given that both are equal. Area of square is equal to area of sector. As the side of the square is 1, area becomes 1 into 1, 1, and perimeter is half into 4 minus 2R into R. We have substituted L in terms of R, and after careful simplification, we are getting R minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, which gives R is equal to 1. So what is R is equal to 1 means? What? Here length of the arc is twice the radius. That means area of sector is 2 radians. That means if both areas and perimeters of sector of a circle and square are equal, then the angle at the center subtended by the arc of the sector must be 2 radians. Let us solve it by some other method. In the previous case, we have imagined without loss of generality, we have imagined side of the square as 1 unit. Here we imagine radius of the sector to be 1 unit. Again, taking the concepts of perimeter, perimeter of sector is equal to perimeter of square. L plus 2R is equal to 4A. 4A is equal to L plus 2. A is equal to L plus 2 by 4. We have expressed A in terms of L. Next, area of sector is equal to area of square. A squared is LR by 2. L plus 2 whole squared by 4 is L by 2. After simplification, we are getting L minus 2 whole squared is equal to 0, which gives us L is equal to 2. Here also, arc length is twice the radius, hence area of sector is 2 radians. So, in both the ways, we have proved that angle of the sector must be 2 radians. Let us give calculus flavor to this concept. Let L plus 2R is equal to 1 unit without loss of generality. L is equal to 1 minus 2R. Area is LR by 2. Area, you express area in terms of radius, that becomes half into R minus 2R squared. Now, we shall see when does this becomes maximum, when does the area becomes maximum. For that we use the maximum minima concept. We shall differentiate A with respect to R, which gives half into 1 minus 4R. So for maximum area, the derivative of R with A with respect to R vanishes. That becomes 4R is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 4 means 0.25 and L is 0.5. Here also we notice that the angle at the center is 2 radians. That means the area of sector becomes maximum when its perimeter is constant. So this is the calculus flavor to the same question. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.